Hi guys, how are you today? Now I want to introduce myself. My name is Latifa Damayanti. You can call me Latifa. Now I want to tell you about 13 gender generic structure. The first is recon. Recon text is a type of text used to retell an event that has already happened. The purpose can be to inform or entertain the reader. The first structure of recontext is orientation, sequence of event, and reorientation. In essence, recontext is useful for sharing personal experience. By understanding its structure, we can create a story that is interesting and easy to understand. And then spoof or recon. The important things in this story are focus on people, action, time and place, the past, nonsense, and humor behavior. This story is an example of a funny story that is easy to understand. We can learn about story structure, language use, and how to make stories interesting. And then description. The material explains how to describe something. There is a structure, social function, identification, description, significant lexicogrammatical features. The description text on the site manages to give a clear and interesting picture of Natural Bridge National Park. By using simple language and rich adjective, readers can imagine the natural beauty of this national park. Report. The structure of this text follows a general report pattern with classification, description, and a focus on the physical features. The language used is simple and easy to understand, with a lot of use of the verb is to state fact. In essence, this text provides basic information about West in a concise and clear manner. Narrative text is an effective way to convey a message or story to the reader. By understanding its structure and characteristic, we can more easily understand and enjoy a story. Narrative structure, orientation, complication, and resolution. Learning objective, understand the structure and language features of narrative text, and be able to analyze a story based on the structure. And then analytical exposition. Analytical exposition text is a type of text that aims to convince reader or listener of a truth or opinion. This text usually uses logical argument and evidence to support its opinion. Structure of analytical exposition text is thesis, argument, point, elaboration, and conclusion. Explanation. Explanation. An explanation is a description or information given to explain something. The aim is to make something that was entirely difficult to understand easier to understand. The text on the site explains the process of human voice formation. In essence, our voice is produced by specific movement in our vocal organs. The air we exhale vibrates as it passes through the vocal cords and is then shaped into various sounds by our oral cavity. Discussion. Discussion is the act of exchanging thought and opinion about a topic or problem. The goal is to reach an agreement, better understanding, or find a solution. Discussion can be formal or informal. The benefits of discussion are that they can increase understanding, develop critical thinking skills, build relationships, and find solutions. Procedure. A procedure is a series of steps or stages that must be carried out in sequence to achieve a certain goal. The material on the site explains how to play a traditional game called the whole game. The game is simple and involves two players. The goal is to get the marbles into the hole first. The specific purpose of a procedure is to achieve a specific goal. Hortatory exposition. Hortatory exposition is a type of text that aims to convince the reader or listener to do something or take a certain action. In other words, it tries to persuade people to change their mind or behavior. Hortatory exposition characteristics is purpose, language, structure, and example. The picture beside is an example of an hortatory exposition. Anecdote. Anecdotes are funny or interesting short stories, usually based on true event or personal experience. They are often used to illustrate a point, provide social commentary, or simply entertain. They are short, funny, or interesting, experience-based, and purposeful. The picture beside is an example of an anecdote. News item. News item are a types of text that provides actual information about important event or happening that have just occurred. These news items are usually presented in a short, concise, and clear manner, so that reader can easily understand the information conveyed. The characteristics of news items are actual, short, and concise, objective, clear, and easy to understand, and structure. On the side are examples of new item. And the last is review. A review is an assessment or review of a product, service, or work that is based on personal experience or objective analysis. The main purpose of a review is to provide useful information to others, whether it's to help them make a purchasing decision or simply to learn more about something. Reviews can be found on various platforms ranging from e-commerce sites to social media. In short, reviews are very useful tool for customers to get relevant information before deciding to buy or use a product or service. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. I hope there is something you can understand. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.